Alright. Um, Yesterday's daily is really easy. Or, yeah, it was just this, so I didn't really feel like recording that. Leak code 2140. Solving questions with brain power. Is this loud? It seems loud. How do I turn it down? You're given a zero index 2D integer array questions where questions I is equal to points I, brain power I. The array describes the question of an exam when you have to process the questions in order from 0 to, I guess, n. Make a decision to solve or skip. Ooh, they bolted that. Solving questions I will earn you points I points, but you will be unable to solve each of the next brainpower I questions. If you skip question I, you get to make the decision on the next question. For example, given this, if question 0 is solved, you get 3 points, but you cannot solve these two. Right. If instead question 0 is skipped and the question 1 is solved, you'll earn 4 points. So I skip this, I get 4 here, but I can't solve anything else. Return the max points you can earn for the exam. So here the most optimal thing would be to get 3 and 2, skipping these ones. So it's kind of like House Robber, where in House Robber you can you can, um, rob a house, but then you can't rob the next house, so we need to, um, do some dynamic programming, yay. But the thing about this one is it's not just adjacent problems, it's about the next two problems, and that sounds really annoying. So how would I get around that? How about draw? So if I solve 3, 2, so like I want to draw this out first. 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 2, 5. Obviously, if we brute force this, it would be some ridiculous, like, something to the n power, or like maybe even factorial. I don't know my time complexity, but so if I solve here, I can skip these two and then go here. So how would I even write that? This seems more like an iterative problem. I know typically when you're doing DP, some people like to start with a recursive top-down, but I feel like I can get off the bat an iterative solution already. If we skip this and go here, then we can't do any of this. We go here, we skip these two, we can't solve any of this either. And if we do this, but when we do this, we can also hit this. Okay. So in House Robber, let me pull up House Robber actually. In House Robber, the max profit at any index I is equal to the max profit we got from either skipping the previous house or robbing this house, or dp of I minus 1 minus 2. But in this case, it wouldn't really make sense. We don't know from this index how much back here we can rob from, or like, I'm gonna say rob because solve. I think solve is a better verb. How much we can solve from like right to left, but we do know from this how much we can get from left to right. So maybe I think it's best if we work from right to left. Oh my god. Right to left. And we could say dp of I is equal to we could say, if like bp is greater, I mean, is less than or equal to is less than or equal to, like, let's just say n minus I. We want it in bounds, probably, I'd hope, is less than n minus I. dp of I, the max we can do here is either we can take, if we choose to take it, which is let's just say like qi of 0 plus dp of I plus brain power, right? We want to get the max profit we get after skipping the next 5, right? So in this case, let's say I is equal to 0, and then BP would be 2. 2 is less than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 minus 0, duh. So dp of I is the max of the current 3 plus the max we got from over here. I think that's probably it. And it's long. Ooh, long. Okay, so let's say long dp is equal to new. Oh. Oh. So let's just say int n is equal to questions dot length new long n, and then because we shouldn't have any negatives, I'm gonna, or like, yeah, any like negative scores, I'm pretty sure if we keep it as 0 it should be fine. So let's just say for I equal n, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. And then we could say, well, I don't. Okay, so what if we just said dp of I is equal to math.max. Oh, but we also want to skip it. So what do we do if we want to, if it's more optimal to skip? What did I just do? Oh my god. Okay, so actually I should just do a dry run of it. So here, the max profit we can get from here is just taking it, right? From, like, without observing the back. So let's just say dp, and then we have 0, 0, 0, and then right now it's going to be 2. And we're going to go here. And then we could say, ooh. Oh, we could just say it's, So here, okay, it's math, it's max, this, plus anything previously, or we can skip it, and then we just fill in the previous. But I don't know if -1 would be the correct. One, and then let's just have this default to 0 if out of bounds. Does that work? I want to see if it works. So what if we said int prev is equal to let's just say questions I of 1 is is less than n minus I. That probably works. So 5 is 5 within 0, 1, 0, 1. Oh, we should probably define it as this. So we'd be at 4. Mm, 0. Yeah, that probably checks out. We could just say dp of I plus questions I, or if it is 0, then dpi is equal to mathemax dpi minus 1, or questions I 0 plus prev, and then let's return dp of 0. Oh, right. Oh, right. Oh, right. Right. Hmm. It shouldn't be minus 1, it would be plus 1. Oh, right. Right, 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 right. Right. Uh, uh, uh. Eh, how do I want to deal with that? Preferably not at all. uh, I mean, like, okay. What if we just set a base case? dp of n minus 1 is equal to questions n minus 1 of 0, right? Probably. Base case, kurwa. Oh. It's a little bit bigger than I expected, so let's check out string dp. So the max we get here is 2. The max we can get here is 4. And this would also be 4. Wait a minute. Something ain't right here. So it should be 3 plus 2, but it did 3 plus 4. But prev here. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just can't live without you. Baby, come back. Oh, wait, am I good? Nah, whatever. Oh, it should be plus 1, shouldn't it? Would that work? Oh, what the fuck? Okay. I guess. Oh. Okay. What? Oh. Mine. Wait, why is it breaking here, Kurwa? Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just can't live without you. just a waste of time. I don't know. Does that solve things? Oh, okay. And then if we remove this, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, yay! So I'm so butt at explaining DP, but I think I owe people, not people, no one watches these, but I owe myself an explanation. So at any given index I, the max points we can get is we can either solve the current problem and then get everything we can get from the other side. So for example here, the max we can get at here is the points here plus the max after we skip all these problems. So we should iterate right to left. Otherwise, we just get the max from the right without solving. Like if we skipped it, we would just get from the right. And we did pretty good time complexity I DP. It's basically house robber. If you solve house robber, this one should be pretty easy, I want to say. I wonder what people did for really. Hopefully it's not bad shit. Oh my god. I'm not doing that. That's too much work. Yay. How much did this take? 17. Okay, bye.